Integration errors on Plaid can be frustrating, but with the right steps, you can resolve them quickly. Follow this guide to troubleshoot and fix common integration issues. Step 1. Identify the error. Check the error message you received from Plaid. Understanding the specific error code or message will help you determine the root cause of the issue. Step 2. Review API keys. Ensure that you are using the correct API keys for your Plaid integration. Double check that your keys are not expired or incorrectly entered in your application. Step 3. Check environment settings. Verify that you are working in the correct environment, sandbox, development, or production. Make sure your integration settings match the environment you are currently using. Step 4. Update dependencies. Ensure that you have the latest version of the Plaid SDK or library installed. Outdated dependencies can lead to compatibility issues and integration errors. Step 5. Consult documentation. Refer to the official Plaid documentation for guidance on the specific error you're encountering. The documentation often provides troubleshooting tips and solutions for common issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve integration errors on Plaid efficiently. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Plaid support for further assistance.